Hello and welcome to the Online and Hybrid Certification course, or OHCC at GRCC. This video will take you through how to get started in the certification course. First thing you need to do is go to bb.grcc.edu and log in. When you do log in, over on the right in the My Courses module, you'll see a link to courses you're enrolled in, and click on the DLIT OHCC course. When you go in, you'll be greeted by a welcome announcement which will give you details about how to get started. The dates change each semester, but the instructions are pretty much the same. There's a link to the OHCC syllabus. You want to click on that, take a look at that, as well as the course schedule. If you have a question at any time, you can email us at dlit, D-L-I-T, at grcc.edu. If you have a technical problem, can't connect to the wireless network, can't log in, or Blackboard appears to be having technical issues, you can email ithelp at grcc.edu. When you're done with the announcement, you click on the link and it'll take you right inside the orientation. There are a series of assignments to complete. Each week the assignments are listed in a list so you can check them off. There's a Mark Reviewed button beside some of them that you can click on, and then when you go back in you'll be able to see that you've completed that item. Over on the left is how you navigate through the course. First link is to the assignments area. You'll have the outcomes as well as the objectives for each week on the outside of the folder. Then you'll go into that week, and the format's pretty much the same as the orientation. There'll be an introduction. Assignments are due 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday each week, and then you'll see a list of assignments that you need to complete. Also notice that the campus session is optional. That is on Friday from 1 to 2:30 p.m. and it's typically in room 351 main. There is a blog for the course that you can use at any time. You click Create Blog Entry to get started. There is an introduction activity, and I've already posted my introduction there. There's a link to the discussion board. If you have a question about the course, you can go into the virtual office forum. I'm subscribed to that forum. If you want to, you can click the subscribe button. That way you'll receive an email whenever there's a question posted or a reply. If you want to add a question, just click on the link to go into the thread. Click reply and ask your question. If it's not about the orientation, you can always add a thread to the discussion forum, and there's a button there that says create thread. So each week there is a forum that is linked to the assignment folder. The next link is for grades. That's where you'll click and you'll see the grades for each week. I'll post an announcement and send you an email whenever those grades are ready. The next link is information. The orientation takes you through these links, but basically there's a link to the syllabus, and then that link will open up in a separate tab or window. Get information about the course, the textbook. Over on the right there's a link to the presentation rubric. There's a final presentation of the course. This gives you information on what we're looking for, and then there's a schedule that lays out the specific assignments you have to do for each week in the course. There's also a link directly to the schedule. This is a contacts link which will give you information about the facilitators, contact information. There's also a wiki which is frequently asked questions, and you can find information about the discussion board, faculty contract, other information here. You can also create your own page, or you can edit the content. When you're done going through the information, there's a link that will take you back into the orientation. The next link is resources, and we'll be adding folders here. There's a starter folder here. that has video tutorials on how to do different things in Blackboard. That'll come in handy as we start building content in the course. And then there's a tools link, and we pretty much leave all the tools available for you to check out. And one of the more important ones is to send an email. If you want to send an email, you can send an email to all the instructors or all users, or you can pick a particular user that you want to send it to. So that's pretty much how you get started, how you navigate through the course. And you can email me directly if you want to at gbrand, G-B-R-A-N-D, at grcc.edu. Look forward to working with each of you.